Yesterday, I was really craving Chinese food, but the Chinese store is closed. So tell me why I come in today. Tell me why I come. Now, I wasn't prepared at the Chinese store, but that's okay, because they always got to put that disclaimer, no MSG. All right, why you always, you sure? I don't know. Why you, what's the smoke that's fire? Listen. Stop. For real, bro. That was a trap. Not her from that room. But
Hey, no one in front of my way, Brandon.
I'm gonna use the restroom now.
Are you the last one?
Come on. You're going too fast. You can
yes, now it's an unboxing.
You can't just be running away from me.
Timmy Lulu. Oh. It's kind of big. It's a big phone. That's a big phone. Whoa. Nice and sleek though. 3 cameras. Huh. Oh. Oh, the rest of the stuff is here. I'm gonna go and try to charge this up. What's in here? Okay. I like your outfit. I meant to say that the other day we had the dress on too. Yeah. I don't know what's supposed to be on this side. I don't know what's supposed to be on that side, but okay. All right, I guess we'll be testing this out today. We'll be testing this out. All right. So it has this little sticker right there. Let me take the sticker off. Well, I'm gonna leave that. I'm not sure what that sticker's for. But all right. This is a Samsung Android Galaxy A16. Oh, it also has the same. It has the same charger as it has the USB-C. It has the same charger as the iPhone, so I don't need an extra like it's okay, like it's good. That's what I'm basically trying to say. Oh, let me whatchamacallit. They let that with the whatchamacallit too right now, bro. Okay. Well, I can't double dip in my sauce.